Leaving a legacy. How today's actions shape tomorrow. Have you ever stopped to think about the footprint you're leaving behind? The mark you're making in this world? For many, the concept of a legacy may seem distant, something to consider far into the future. But the truth is, your legacy isn't built in a single moment. It's the accumulation of choices, actions, and values you live by every single day. Today, we'll explore how the actions you take now not only shape your future, but also create an enduring impact for generations to come. Stick with me as we unpack this profound topic together. It's natural to question the purpose of our lives at some point. What will I leave behind? Will my life have mattered? These questions carry emotional weight, often surfacing when we face major life transitions or moments of self-reflection. But the good news is that it's never too late to redefine your path. Whether you're 35, 45, or 55 years old, the opportunity to create a meaningful legacy begins the moment you decide to act with purpose. A legacy is not just about wealth, fame, or accolades. It's about the impact you make in the lives of others, the values you pass on, and the difference you make in the world. Think of it this way. Your legacy is like planting a tree. You may never sit under its shade, but others will benefit from the fruits of your labor. It's about contributing to something larger than yourself. So how do you start building this legacy? The first step is reflection. Take a moment to examine your life. What are your values? What truly matters to you? These answers will serve as the foundation for the impact you want to create. For example, if family is your priority, think about the lessons, traditions, and support you're offering to the next generation. If community is your focus, consider how your actions can inspire, uplift, and empower those around you. Next, let's talk about action. Reflection is powerful, but action is transformative. Small, consistent steps toward your goals are the building blocks of a legacy. For instance, if education is a passion of yours, mentoring a young professional or volunteering in a local school can leave an indelible mark. If you're an advocate for sustainability, implementing eco-friendly practices in your workplace or home sets a powerful example for others to follow. One of the most powerful aspects of building a legacy is its ripple effect. Your actions inspire others, creating a chain reaction of positivity and growth. Think of the teachers, mentors, or family members who influenced your life. Their legacy lives on in you, and now it's your turn to pay it forward. By living authentically and intentionally, you're not just shaping your future, you're shaping the future of everyone you touch. Building a legacy also requires resilience. Life is unpredictable, and setbacks are inevitable. But how you respond to challenges often defines the strength of your character and the depth of your legacy. When you face adversity, see it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Your resilience not only empowers you, but serves as an example to others, demonstrating that even in tough times, it's possible to persevere and thrive. Another essential component is gratitude. A legacy built on gratitude fosters positivity and fulfillment. Take time to acknowledge the people who have supported you, the opportunities you've been given, and the milestones you've achieved. Gratitude shifts your perspective, allowing you to focus on what's truly important and reinforcing the impact you're creating. By expressing appreciation, you inspire others to do the same, creating a culture of kindness and connection. As we come to the end of this exploration, remember that leaving a legacy isn't about perfection, it's about intention. The life you lead today, the choices you make, the values you uphold, the way you treat others, all contribute to the story you're writing. So ask yourself, what story do you want to tell? What legacy do you want to leave? Your actions today shape not just your future, but the futures of those who follow. Take this as your call to action. Reflect deeply, act purposefully, and embrace the opportunity to create a legacy that matters. Your future self, your family, and your community will thank you for it. And most importantly, you'll thank yourself for the intentional, meaningful life you chose to lead.